everyone, so you are with Hasi, the island girl. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful because I got so much of comments and so much of wishes from my friends. So I'm really happy doing something good for the society, and through my channel I'm going to give you a good motivation to you guys to think about your life in different way. And yes, I'm so happy. So in my last video I shared the first tip that is important to you guys to maintain a strong relationship, right? So if you didn't watch that video yet, just go to the description box and find the link. As a summary, in my last video I explained girls and boys are different. In this video I'm going to reveal my second tip. Two common mistakes that we do in our relationship, right? The first one is that boys don't like someone to guide them. Okay, they 95% of, I mean, most of boys don't like someone to guide them. They like to achieve something by themselves. It can be a small thing, it can be a big thing, but they won't achieve it by themselves. If they achieve something alone without anyone's help, that that is their goal. Normally they ask help from an expert or someone who is really close to them, but that is a rare scenario. But most of the time they like to achieve something by themselves. Let them to achieve something alone and be behind them. You can help them, but don't guide them, do like this, do like this, do like that. They don't like that because if they don't do it in a proper way, then they will think, and okay, I can't do this alone, I need someone help, I need someone guide. Then they will come to you and ask, I need help, I need a solution for this. If they ask it, only you have to give a solution, but don't try to guide your boyfriend or your male friend every time. Okay, they don't like it and they will get offended. Don't do that. Okay. And the second thing is, most of girls speak a lot and they start with something and they ended up their conversation with something else. So but boys think that, okay, if I want to show my love, I have to give her a lot of solution to do like this, to do like that. So let's example, if I tell if I tell like I can't do this job, I'm so stressed, then boss think, okay, the solution is you have to quit the job. So but don't worry, then if you are so stressed about your job, if you can't do your job, then quit the job. Okay, but I don't like to quit my job because in that point I need someone to tell my problem, not to quit a job, not any solution. I need someone to listen. So don't provide so much of solution when a girl speak. Just listen. Okay, just peacefully listen. Okay, don't give any solution, just listen. Okay, so give small replies for that. Okay, I can understand you like us. Very calmly, very calm way you have to reply them. So that is my second tip. So one is applicable for girls, another one is applicable for boys. So uh, second tip part one. Okay, girls, we think that boys need someone to guide. Okay, but that is not true. Boys don't like someone to guide them. They like to achieve something by themselves. So don't guide them unless they ask help from you. If they ask help, if they ask you solution, then provide your solution, but don't try to guide them every time. Okay, they don't like it at all. And the second thing is, if Go speak about something about the problem. Don't provide so many solutions for them, okay, because they don't need solution, they only need someone to listen. Okay, just listen them. Okay, don't provide so many solutions. So that is for today. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it yet. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best for your love and for your relationship. Mention my email here so you can contact me and you can tell your problem. You don't have to mention your name. Okay, I don't need your name, I need only your problem. So I will try to find a good solution to your problem. So hope you guys enjoy my video. That is that's it for today. So have a good week, guys, and stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy as always. Thank you.